Hey, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're diving into some fantastic tips and tricks to help you look effortlessly clean. Whether you're heading to work, a social event, or just want to feel your best every day, these tips will have you looking polished in no time. So let's jump right in. Tip 1. Grooming. First things first, grooming is the foundation of a clean and put-together appearance. Start by maintaining a consistent skincare routine to keep your skin looking healthy and vibrant. Remember to cleanse, moisturize, and use sunscreen to protect your skin from the sun's harmful rays. Tip 2. Clothing choices. Selecting the perfect attire can create a significant impact on your overall appearance. Opt for well-fitted, classic pieces that flatter your body type and suit your personal style. Determine whether you have warm, cool, or neutral undertones to choose colors that complement your complexion. Before wearing any outfit, give it a quick steam or iron to eliminate wrinkles and creases. Tip 3. Accessories. Accessories can elevate your look from ordinary to extraordinary. A simple watch, elegant earrings, or a stylish belt can add that extra touch of sophistication. Choose one standout accessory, such as a statement necklace or a patterned scarf, to add flair to your outfit. If you're wearing a bold accessory, keep the rest of your accessories understated. Tip 4. Hair care. Your hair is a reflection of your individuality, so take the time to nurture and maintain it with care. Regular haircuts and maintenance are essential to keep your locks looking healthy and neat. Find a hairstyle that's easy to manage and suits your lifestyle. A quick brush or comb through can make a world of difference. Tip 5. Footwear. Don't forget about your feet. Clean, well-maintained footwear instantly adds to your overall appearance. Make sure your shoes match your outfit style and are in good condition. A quick wipe or polish can go a long way. Tip 6. Nail care. Neatly groomed nails are a sign of attention to detail. Keep your nails clean and trimmed, and if you enjoy nail polish, opt for neutral colors like nude, light pink, or pale mauve for a polished and versatile look. Well-kept nails show that you care about the small things. Tip 7. Posture and confidence. A confident posture can transform your entire demeanor. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart, shoulders back, and chin parallel to the ground. Maintain eye contact when interacting with others to exude confidence. Embrace your individuality and let your personal style shine through your clothing and demeanor. And there you have it, easy tips to look clean effortlessly. Remember, it's all about embracing your personal style, paying attention to the details, and radiating confidence. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.